Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to find someone who changed their username on Snapchat. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your DM section. So once you are there, you may find some changes in your DMs. So suppose you are on your DMs and you can't find any specific friend. So they might have changed their name. So all you need to do is just to head over to a specific conversation and just see or look if they have changed their name or not. If you have set a nickname for them, like I have set a nickname for this person. So what I will do is go back, keep tapped on their conversation and go to manage friendship and go to edit display name. So as you can see, their name is currently in here and the nickname I gave, it is currently in here. So yeah, this is how you can know and find someone that have changed their username in Snapchat. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.